she's so stupid.
Buckets come in handy. This is more water.
Let's go to that side.
It's very hard with one mom, in case you do not.
Christian.
She just throws the mop on the floor like a.
Take your socks off, roll up your pants, and go get a towel and help before that starts sinking down. Christian.
I got a videotape. This is not.
Videotape. You clean it up.
No.
Come on, because I'm gonna put this on here. And it's gonna be funny.
Here, I'll just.
Come on,
I'll put this right here.
This is for my birthday. Thanks.
Go in the shower. Go back in the room.
My dishwasher with dish soap. So, for any of you who don't know that you have to use the dishwasher liquid, this is why.
What are you doing?
She's trying to get it up, Christian.
Move the mop. She's retarded.
She's like, oh my god, I gotta do something.
Get the hell out the way.
Oh my goodness. Christian, you better take off your socks.
Nope.
You made the mess.
I didn't do that.
You made, yeah, you didn't. See?
Serious? I never been a dignity girl.
Ow.
It's working.
Christian, just give it up.
Push it on the towel.
Take off your sneaker. Your socks.
You needed a bath. That's all. Here's mine.
Thanks for cleaning the floor. And the dishes, Christian.
That's a fast way to clean the floor.
And the carpets. You could do that too.
No, I really don't want to shampoo the carpet right now.
Well, I think you should. Oh my god. I didn't do that.
It's never ending.
Stop, bitch! I didn't say that. I didn't. Here, do that thing where you squeeze it out.
Christian.
I'm not stepping in the kitchen.
Let go.
Oh my god, the suds are coming out faster. You need to do something.
What?
The suds keep coming out. Christian, you
What
did
are
this.
suds?
Soap bubble suds. Oh
The
my god.
suds?
My son.
Suds.
Everyone?
Crazy person.
See. Oh my gosh. Dude.
See, move that car.
That's my